Hamster Kombat Snapshot is here, guys, and things are getting really interesting about Hamster. Congratulations to all those participating in this very airdrop right now. In this video, let's discuss Hamster Kombat Snapshot and token allocation. Very important. If you are new to this channel, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check this channel for other amazing crypto content. Mark your calendar and stay updated, because on the 20th of this very month at 6 p.m. UTC is the Hamster Kombat Snapshot documentation, and that is going to take place, and all your genuine hard work and labor will turn into dollars. And this is very important and interesting at the moment. Every little work that you have done in the past in this very game is going to pay off very soon. So before I go deep into the video, what is a cryptocurrency snapshot? Because you need to understand what a cryptocurrency snapshot is. So a crypto snapshot is a documentation used to ascertain the state of a chain at a specific time. What that means is it is used to track the total quantity and balance between token holders. What that also means is Hamster want to know how many persons are holding their token and how much token is each person holding based on some design rules and algorithm. It is very specific that some persons that are mining Hamster right now will not get the Hamster token after the snapshot, because this is very important. So this snapshot that is going to take place on the 20th of this very month, September, at 6 p.m. UTC is the determination of how much token you are going to get during token allocation. And snapshot is very important, especially in this era of Web3. So in the case of Hamster Kombat, the snapshot is going to be capturing everything that you have done, ranging from passive income, those tasks that you've been doing on Hamster, and not only that, your friends that you've referred so far, your achievement. If you have Telegram Premium, that is also a boost, and also the keys that you have been using on Hamster is also very important during this very snapshot period. And the next question is, what does this mean for your Hamster token allocation? The thing is, right now, no one can say the exact number, but let's hope for something very juicy from the Hamster team. Now, after this very snapshot, the season 1 of this very game is going to end, and then the season 2 will open after the listing on Binance and other crypto exchanges. So the most important thing for you to know right now is that some persons are expecting millions and even billions of tokens. But listen, folks, this is not always the case. It is not about the quantity of the token. Most time, it is about the quality of this very token, because the quality can also determine the worth of the token. What that means is, if Hamster lists this very token, let's say Hamster give you that 1 million or 1 billion token that you already have in your Telegram mini app, and the token is listed, let's say for example 0.601 or 0.701. You see, it is not about the quantity, it is about the quality. So even though you have a million or about 1,000 of the token, but it is listed at a good price, and that will mean that the token will worth more value for you even when it is very small, compared to when you have a very huge number of tokens in your wallet. So the most important thing is, it is about the quality and not the quantity of the token, because the quality determines the listing price. This is the best time to level up your game if you are in this very Hamster Kombat airdrop. Take the Hamster Kombat game right now extremely serious before the snapshot occur. Let's say for example, your token is very low, your PPH is very low. You can use the next 48 hours or less to do something amazing on your mini app right now and get something juicy from Hamster when the snapshot will be done, because any work you do after the snapshot will not pay, okay? Because if the snapshot is taken, then that means everything have been concluded, and then the next thing is the listing on 26, which allocation will come before 26. And this is very important. So here is the deal. Look at your Hamster Kombat setup. What are the things that you can legitimately do to increase your coin balance, ranging from your PPH, upgrade keys, and many more? Think about it right now and implement it right now as well. So what this means is whatever you can do right now to take this game to the next level legitimately, do it right now, because the clock is ticking and the pressure is so high right now. Hamster Kombat looks so revolutionary, guys, and push your limit, break that new record, so that when the snapshot will be captured, you will be at your best. That is the most important thing that we should be talking about at the moment. So put in all the necessary energy, hard work that you need to do for that Hamster Kombat listing and before the snapshot occurs. So if you can do that, then start right now. In the next 48 hours is long enough for you to do something on your token by increasing your PPH, your upgrade keys, and many more tags. Anything you can do that is legit, do it right now before the snapshot is taken by 6 p.m. UTC on the 26th of this very month of September. And this is very important right now, guys. Now, after that, that is only when we can know the allocation that each person is going to get. And not only that, we are going to also know the total supply for Hamster, the circulating supply for Hamster, and the max supply for Hamster. Without this snapshot, it will be very unnecessary to talk about token allocation. So snapshot first before token allocation. And stay tuned, and I will be updating you on this very channel. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. And if you have not joined the Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, join right now. It is absolutely very free, and stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.